Welcome to Discover.Learn.Travel. Are you ready for the journey of a lifetime? Let's start with the stunning scenery and rich heritage of Scotland. This is an experience you won't want to miss out on. Enjoy every moment of this adventure. But before we kick off this epic adventure, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our thrilling travel escapades. Number 1. Edinburgh Castle. Edinburgh Castle is an iconic landmark that overlooks Scotland's capital. It offers a captivating journey through centuries of Scottish history and culture. Visitors can step through its ancient gates to discover a variety of engaging activities. They can dive into the castle's rich history with a guided tour or explore its exhibits. These include the crown jewels and the Stone of Destiny, which hold immense cultural and symbolic significance. Explore the atmospheric Great Hall, where legendary figures once convened. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of Edinburgh's skyline and the surrounding landscape from the castle's fortified walls. Delve further into the castle's history with visits to the National War Museum and the Scottish National War Memorial. These sites honor the country's military legacy. Those intrigued by mystery can join ghost tours that recount chilling stories of the castle's haunted past. After a day of exploration, visitors can unwind in the castle's charming tea room. They can also peruse the souvenir shops for unique mementos. Edinburgh Castle offers an immersive experience, allowing visitors to connect with Scotland's rich past in an unforgettable way. Number 2. Loch Ness and Loch Lomond. Loch Ness and Loch Lomond offers a range of activities for visitors seeking adventure or relaxation in Scotland's breathtaking landscapes. Loch Ness is famous for its legendary resident, the Loch Ness Monster. Curious explorers often take cruises on the loch's vast waters, hoping to spot the creature. Apart from searching for the monster, tourists can visit Urquhart Castle, which sits dramatically on the loch shores. Hiking enthusiasts can explore scenic trails along the rugged coastline, enjoying stunning views of the surrounding highlands. For a calmer experience, a peaceful boat trip lets visitors appreciate the loch's beauty. Loch Lomond, Scotland's largest freshwater lake, offers a range of water-based activities. These include kayaking, paddleboarding, and sailing, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts seeking an adrenaline rush. Number 3. Holyrood Palace. Visitors to Holyrood Palace can immerse themselves in Scotland's rich history and royal heritage. Begin your journey by exploring the state apartments, where you can admire opulent decor and stunning 17th century architecture. These rooms, once home to royalty, feature intricate tapestries, ornate furnishings, and a noteworthy collection of artworks. Next, step into the historic Holyrood Abbey, founded in 1128. Experience the serene atmosphere of this ancient church and appreciate its blend of medieval Gothic and later architectural styles. The Abbey's ruins offer a glimpse into Scotland's storied past. Don't miss a stroll through the palace gardens. Here, you can relax in lush greenery and enjoy picturesque views of Arthur's Seat. The gardens provide a peaceful setting for a leisurely walk, offering a break from the city's hustle and bustle. Before leaving the palace, visit the Queen's Gallery. The gallery hosts rotating exhibitions featuring treasures from the royal collection. Visitors can explore a range of art and historical artifacts, gaining a deeper insight into the royal family's history and heritage. Number 4. Shopping on Edinburgh's Princess Street. Edinburgh's Princess Street is a bustling shopping hub that offers a diverse range of options to suit various tastes and preferences. The street boasts a mix of upscale stores, well-known brands, and charming local shops, ensuring there's something for everyone. While shopping for fashion, home goods, and souvenirs, visitors can take in breathtaking views of Edinburgh Castle and historic Old Town. As you stroll down the street, the striking juxtaposition of modern retail with historic architecture creates a unique atmosphere. To take a break from shopping, visitors can choose from a variety of cozy cafes and restaurants. These establishments provide a perfect spot to recharge a meal or a cup of coffee, all while enjoying the lively ambience of Princess Street. For those interested in exploring the city's culture, nearby attractions like the Scott Monument and Princess Street Gardens are just a short walk away. These landmarks add an exciting dimension to the overall shopping experience, offering opportunities to delve into Edinburgh's rich history and beautiful green spaces. Number 5. Arthur's Seat. Arthur's Seat is a magnificent peak in Edinburgh, Scotland, offering various activities for visitors. Hikers can take on the challenge of reaching the summit, where they will enjoy breathtaking views of the city below. Trails cater to all fitness levels, allowing everyone to appreciate the area's natural beauty. History enthusiasts can explore the ancient forts on the hillside and immerse themselves in the region's heritage. For those seeking peace, the peak provides tranquil spots for picnics or meditation among lush greenery. Bird watchers will delight in the diverse bird population inhabiting Arthur's Seat, offering chances to spot unique species. Photography lovers will find the hill a perfect location. It features stunning vistas and dramatic landscapes around every corner. Number 6. Climb Ben Nevis. Ascending Ben Nevis, the highest peak in the UK, offers an exciting opportunity to explore the stunning Scottish Highlands scenery. The adventure usually starts at the Glen Nevis Visitor Centre, where hikers can get maps and expert advice. The well-known mountain track, also known as the Pony Track, provides a path suitable for hikers of various skill levels. Throughout the journey, adventurers enjoy magnificent views of waterfalls, rugged terrain, and possible glimpses of local wildlife. As climbers progress, they pass through diverse landscapes. These include lush valleys and rocky slopes, leading to the summit at 1,345 meters. At the peak, one can take in sweeping vistas of neighboring mountains, lakes, and the distant ocean. It is important to pack suitable clothing, sturdy shoes, provisions, and hydration for the trek. Weather conditions atop Ben Nevis can be unpredictable, so prioritizing safety measures such as understanding navigation and weather patterns is essential. Number 7. Balmoral Castle. Balmoral Castle, located in the enchanting Scottish Highlands, offers visitors a variety of activities to explore. The castle features remarkable architecture and historical ties to the royal family, making it a must-see attraction. Visitors can take guided tours to learn about the castle's significance to the British monarchy and admire its grandeur. The castle grounds provide opportunities for leisurely strolls and serene picnics amid breathtaking landscapes. Nature enthusiasts can hike, fish, or observe wildlife in the nearby Cairngorms National Park. Those interested in culture and history can visit attractions like Crathy Church and the Royal Loch Ness Distillery. These sites give valuable insights into the area's rich heritage. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or a taste of royal life, Balmoral Castle and its surroundings offer an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Number 8. The Scotch Whisky Experience. The Scotch Whisky Experience offers guests an immersive exploration of Scotland's famous spirit. Visitors start with a tour of a simulated distillery to learn about the intricate process of making whiskey. After the tour, guests explore the world's largest collection of Scotch whiskey. They learn about the drink's rich history, distinct regions, and various flavors. An essential part of the visit includes whiskey tasting, where visitors can enjoy a range of exceptional whiskeys with guidance from knowledgeable staff. This tasting helps guests develop a deeper appreciation for each unique flavor profile. The experience also provides interactive displays of blending workshops. Guests can also admire the impressive Diageo Clay Viti Scotch Whisky collection, which contains over 3,500 bottles. Number 9. Abbotsford House and the Scott Monument. Abbotsford House, nestled in the charming Scottish border, is a historical gem filled with stories of Sir Walter Scott, one of Scotland's most beloved literary figures. Guests can explore the magnificent mansion, carefully preserved to reflect the splendor of the 19th century and Scott's life in literary works. Inside, visitors can admire luxurious interiors filled with Scott's belongings. Outside, they can wander through the expansive gardens that inspired his poetic creations. Abbotsford offers a captivating journey through history and literature. In contrast, the Scott Monument stands tall in the heart of Edinburgh, paying tribute to Sir Walter Scott's lasting influence. Climbing its winding staircase provides visitors with stunning panoramic views of the city. The monument's intricate design showcases the elegance of Victorian Gothic architecture. Big thanks to all you awesome travelers for coming along on this incredible adventure through Scotland. Just a reminder, the excitement doesn't stop there. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to keep up with our future travels. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the journey. I'll catch you in the next video.